Thinking about starting to invest but feeling overwhelmed by where to begin? Are you looking for a financial partner that offers something beyond the usual stock and bond approach? Well, if EverBank has caught your attention, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down exactly how you can start your investment journey with EverBank, highlighting their unique offerings and the simple steps to get started. EverBank's approach, beyond the basics globe showing America's. EverBank isn't your typical investment platform, and that's a good thing. They're well known for offering unique diversification opportunities, particularly in what they call the world markets. This means you can consider options beyond standard domestic stocks and mutual funds. Specifically, EverBank allows you to explore foreign currencies, deposits denominated in different world currencies, potentially allowing your money to benefit from global market movements. Precious metals, opportunities to invest in non-FDIC insured precious metals like gold and silver for portfolio diversification. Certificates of deposit, CDs. They also offer traditional FDIC insured products, including CDs with competitive rates. This focus on diversified global investment is what sets EverBank apart and makes them a great fit if you're looking to build a portfolio with a wider reach. Step-by-step guide to investing with EverBank. Getting started is a straightforward, 3-step process. Step 1. Open your cash account. Before you can invest, you need a place to hold your funds. For most investment services, EverBank requires you to open an EverBank Performance Cash Management account. This serves as your central hub. It's where you'll fund your investments and hold any reserve cash. You can apply to open this account online. You'll need standard information like your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Step 2. Fund your account money with Wings. Once your cash management account is open, you need to send an opening deposit. EverBank makes this easy with a few options. Online transfer, move money electronically from an account at another bank. Wire transfer, for larger or quicker deposits. Mail, you can also send a deposit by mail. Keep in mind that some products, like their CDs, may have a minimum opening deposit, so check the requirements for the specific account you're interested in. Step 3. Choose your investments bar chart. With your cash account funded, you're ready to select your investments. This is primarily done through your World Markets account in EverBank's online banking platform. From there, you can use the Open Account feature to set up specific products like foreign currency deposits or metals accounts. Alternatively, you can always speak with a World Markets expert over the phone for guidance on selecting the best products for your goals. EverBank's experts typically reach out to new account holders within 2 business days to help you finalize your choices and get started. And that's it. You've successfully started your investment journey with EverBank, opening the door to unique diversification strategies in the global marketplace. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.